Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Beauty Style Mama. First of all, sorry for the late video because I was not feeling well and love this Boxycharm because several things which is my favorite now, and I already used everything. I'm not going to lie with you because this is my box and this is not the sponsor video. I want to tell you, and all products are purchased by me and from my own money. So all my Boxycharm box, and as usual it comes with this card, and this is called Gold Digger, and this variation is third number. And first of all, I want to tell you that I finished my all face makeup. Now I'm trying this palette for my eye look today. It is worth $24.99 and is from Ace Beauty, and I will show you the colors. These are the shades and it is very pretty. And today my look is not very glamorous look because I used already the Cover FX liquid highlighter with my matte foundation, and it's my feeling that I look like a very shiny, very glittery, like disco ball. So I don't want to go with very glamorous look from this. So, and I want to tell you one thing more, that I'm not going to use these brushes because I want to put these brushes in my collection for the next use. So for this look I am going to use the older brushes from, it is mixed, I think it's Dio color also, and lots of other brushes. I don't remember the brands of all my brushes. My all collection is very big now. And for this look, first shade I'm going to use this shade. Can you see? It's no. First of all, I want to use patchouli. This is all my finished look with this box, and I'm not going to use the liquid gold highlighter for this look because it is very moderate look, because this product is very glittery, and if I use this Cover FX or any highlighter, in my opinion, it would too much for this look. But this glitter is really beautiful. I like it, and I already used with my foundation, as I told you, but I don't want to use this on my eyes or on my face, because see, this is very glittery. See, can you see the shining? And my face already very shiny from this liquid with my foundation, but I want to try it on my foundation, because I use this for my foundation, as like my Instagram follows and my YouTubers suggest this, you can use it with your foundation. So I just experiment with that, and I don't like it actually. I like matte foundation better than glittery foundation, so I will definitely try this without mixing it with my foundation as a highlighter or as a highlight my eyes. I think eyelashes are really good, very light and very easy to put, but the problem is that it only comes with lashes, and you have to buy the glue with other shop. I have the glue from Kiss. I use this glue from Kiss Natural Lash. It's very good, and it is very affordable also, and it is available on Walmart and any other drugstore. So I like it. And about this palette is really good. The shades is very good, and everything is very good, but this is not the travel friendly palette because of, see, there is no mirror in that. Yes, you guessed it right, there is no mirror in that. For this case you have to put one mirror in your bag also, but otherwise this palette is very good. And I already told you about the price of everything, and that's for my video. Thanks for watching, and thank you for subscribing my channel, and please give thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Till my next video. Bye.